Meaning of disrupt.
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 Disrupt. The term disrupt means to interrupt or cause a disturbance in the normal course of something. It can refer to various contexts, including technology, business, and social dynamics. The result of disruption is often a significant change in the way things were previously done, leading to new opportunities, challenges, and outcomes. Disruption can be both positive and negative, depending on the situation and the perspective of those involved. In any case, it is a powerful force that can shake up existing structures and pave the way for innovation and progress.